Hey there, tech enthusiasts! Facing issues with a locked region on your Google Onn TV 4K box can be frustrating, especially when you just want to enjoy your favorite shows. Wondering how to fix the locked region on Google Onn TV 4K box? You're in the right place. In this guide, we're going to dive into a few methods to unlock your device, ensuring you can access the content you love without a hitch. Steps to fix locked region on Google Onn TV 4K box. Step 1. Check your network setting. The first course of action is to look into your network settings. Sometimes a locked region can be the result of your network being recognized incorrectly or due to region-specific restrictions. Start by visiting your router settings page on your web browser. Log into the router using the credentials provided by your internet service provider. Once logged in, navigate to the DNS setting. Changing your DNS settings to a more universal or open DNS like Google's 8.8.8.8 and 8.8.4.4 can often unlock region settings that might be blocking your content. Remember to save your changes and restart your router as well as your Google Onn TV 4K box to apply the changes. Step 2. Use a virtual private network or a VPN. Deploying a VPN can be an effective way to bypass region locks on your Google Onn TV 4K box. First, choose a reputable VPN provider that offers an app compatible with Android TV systems. Download and install the VPN app on your Onn TV directly from the Google Play Store. Once installed, open the VPN app and log in with your credentials. Select a server located in a region where your desired content is accessible. With the VPN in place, your Google Onn TV 4K box now appears to be located wherever your selected server is based, allowing access to otherwise restricted content. Always ensure your VPN is active whenever you're accessing restricted content. Step 3. Update your device software. Another important step is to ensure your Google Onn TV 4K box is updated with the latest software. Outdated software can cause region lock issues or other connectivity problems. Navigate to the settings menu on your Google Onn TV 4K box. Then select System and choose Software Update or System Update. If an update is available, proceed with downloading and installing it. Updating your software not only resolves potential bugs, but can also provide you with the latest features that may bypass region-specific restrictions. Step 4. Factory reset. If all else fails and you are still encountering the locked region issue, performing a factory reset might be your last resort. This step will erase all data on your Google Onn TV 4K box and return it to its original state, so ensure you have backups of any important data. To perform a factory reset, go to Settings on your Google Onn TV 4K box. Scroll down to Device Preferences and select Reset. Confirm your choice and the reset will begin. Once completed, reconfigure your device settings and attempt the previous steps again if necessary. Resolving a locked region on your Google Onn TV 4K box can open a world of entertainment possibilities. Whether it's tweaking your network settings, leveraging a VPN, updating the software, or going for a full factory reset, each step brings you closer to uninterrupted streaming bliss. Remember to prioritize secure and legal methods when unlocking your device to avoid any potential violations. Enjoy exploring global content right from your living room.